Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video, and today I want to share with you guys my portfolio and why I'm currently going bullish on liquidity money, especially with uni farming, and why you should do the same. Okay, so if you look at my portfolio, I want you to not look at the $6,000 because that is influenced by TST's value on Bitcratic exchange, okay, which on Bitcratic exchange TST is illiquid, okay, and also the CoinGecko API is still recognizing the old value, not the current value. Okay, so let me dive straight. Let me show you guys. So I have Uniswap and Moniswap right here because I invested in the liquidity pool and also Unifarming in Uniswap, and also invested in the liquidity pool in Moniswap. Okay, so here you can see that with um, I have it at 4.41% share on Ether TST liquidity pool. Okay. Given the fact that before I used to have 51%, but right now somebody else is the leading liquidity provider. Okay. Also on MoneySwap, I'm having 23.47%, which means that somebody else is the highest liquidity provider on MoneySwap exchange. But let's look at uni farming, okay? Currently, I'm earning about 18.94% annual percentage yield. Okay, you can call that interest. Okay, it's called variable interest in the sense that it's not fixed. So it's based on what happens on the market or the performance of the market. So right now I'm having about 18.94% per annum, while my recent investment, which is Ether uh, liquidity mining, okay, is about 21.71% annual percentage yield. On top of this, I'm also earning uni. So right now I have about $1 plus uni on the Ether USD Theta, while I have less than $1 on the DAI at liquidity mining process. Okay, so with money swap, okay, this is what I urge people to do. I will urge people to go and invest more in the liquidity pools of money swap, because money swap is yet to launch their token. Uniswap have launched their token by giving initial users, even if you used it one time, okay, they gave them 400 uni, which at one time got to 400 uni was $3,000, $3,200, okay, which it rose from $1,000 plus to $3,200, okay, in the market. So but now it's about maybe $1,000 or less than $1,000. Okay, but the most important thing is that MoneySwap is owned by One Each Exchange. One Each Exchange is the biggest aggregator in the decentralized platform and is offering One Each token to the early liquidity providers in in MoneySwap, okay, with 1 year vesting, which means that the tokens will be distributed after 1 year. So, which means we are all looking at 2021. So, what do you do to position yourself for this one each token uh, reward that will go to early liquidity providers? Well, what you can do is invest in liquidity pools. Okay, you can invest in Ether TST liquidity pool, though it's not among the recommended. But hey, if Uniswap can give uh, those who invested in the Ether TST liquidity pool, then they can also give those, or then Moniswap can also do the same for its users. Also, you can also invest in a liquidity pool of Ether and USD Theta. Okay, some people they call it liquidity mining. That is one each token liquidity mining. So which means that those who are liquidity providers will be rewarded after 1 year vesting or at the end of 1 year vesting to receive the one each token. And I think about 2% of the total supply of the liquidity of the 1 each token will be given to early liquidity providers or money swap. Okay, so guys, you can see that one of the ways, if you don't know how to trade, okay, if you don't know how to have patience, let me just put it this way: if you don't know the technicality of trading, okay, and you just want to invest passively in cryptocurrency, then this is one of the ways to do so. Okay, this is one of the ways to do so, because you will be rewarded with tokens, and at the same time you will also earn from the value of the asset or the liquidity pool. Okay, also, personally, I think I will be going into uh, liquidity mining on sushi token or on sushi swap. Okay, so I can earn sushi. Though the value of sushi is not as huge as what you have with uni, but the fact is, sushi tend to have more high yield, high percentage yield on its liquidity pools, and they have weekly pools that you can invest in, so that you can earn as high as 100, from 100 200 percentage in terms of annual performance yield. Okay, but I'm still studying it to know what's happening. Also, in uni, the governance of uni will kick in the next 24 days. So, which means that there might be more liquidity pools that will be nominated, such that if you invest in those liquidity pools, you will be given more uni tokens. Okay, so this is one of the ways to accumulate uni tokens while your investment is working for you. Okay, all right, guys, that's it for this video. I just want to share with you guys my portfolio and how it's performing, and you can see that according to the bank, the estimated daily interest that I earn is about 0.18 US dollars. Okay, yesterday it was about 0.19 US dollars. So guys, it's interesting, and I'll urge you guys to invest in liquidity mining. If you don't know how to do so, if you don't know which tokens or liquidity pools to invest in, then contact me and I will guide you. All right. So guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Till I see you guys next time. Take care and bye for now.